Time's up, little buddy. I think this is going to hurt you more than it's going to hurt me. 1, 2, 3. Well, this piggy has seen better days, and it looks like it is going to be mostly pennies that are in here. In fact, that's all I can see, with the exception of there is something bigger, maybe quarter size. That might be silver. Oh, I see some reeded edges over here. So this was the silver that I saw a moment ago. So we did have a quarter, 25 cents from Newfoundland, 1917. Check that out. I'll flip it over. And this is King George V. It looks pretty grungy, but it's not in terrible shape. And this is a really low mint coin. This is sterling silver, 0.925 silver. And it's very low mint, 464,779.